So I hope you have gone through it. If not, please go through it. It is, I mean, as good as live training only. Only thing is, during the training, you couldn't ask any question. You can ask question now, or if you have not gone through it, you can ask me question. Okay. So I have shown the cycle, how the seeds are generated. Sorry, how the bits are generated, and in that bit, how the seeds are available. I today also I cannot open the office laptop. That office laptop server is still not opening. VPN and all it is asking. So I thought let's not go there because it will again take away a lot of time. Okay, so go through it. I have upgraded the video. Then you can ask me question if you have any. Okay. So today's topic will be. Let's see. I have to do something which I can show without in our server. Okay, let's do billing plan. Billing plan may not take the entire time. So once it is done, I'll start with something, maybe some support issue, like Rushikesh has mentioned. So let me find the bill. Yeah. Okay, billing plan. So billing plan is similar to the requirement is in FI also we have seen. I mean, if you have worked in FICO, you may have seen that every month I have to pay a salary. Okay. Now I don't want to post a salary entry every month manually. So what I can do, I can create uh, accruals. Okay, creation of accrual means I can set up. So today is February. So January and February, say I have paid salary manually, or rent I have posted it manually. I can schedule a program, it's standard only. I can schedule a program called accrual, and I'll say that every month, fifth of the month, post this rent entry. Okay, salary we cannot fix because it may happen next month. Some people may leave the organization. We can hire some new people. So the salary amount may get changed, but the rent amount may remain the same. The office rent, the factory rent, still we have the rent agreement. So what I can do that from today's February, from March to December, the next 10 months, I can create accruals so that every fifth of the month, automatically the rent amount will be posted. Say I record $2,000 rent, and every sixth of the month or every fifth of the month we can schedule. Okay, we can schedule first, then we release, and once it is released on that particular date, it will post the rent amount. Okay, same amount, same GL, and it will post. Okay, so billing plan is similar, that if you have some recurring amount to be posted, instead of posting it manually, we can schedule it. Okay, say say somebody, a customer uh, recharges 999, or the customer has paid, the customer is paying every month 999. So instead of recording whenever he is paying, we can create a billing plan. In that billing plan, I can mention that every month this fixed amount will be posted. Okay, that is the billing plan. So let's see SAP's example who is joining. Okay, billing plan are a definition of a schedule or individual dates for creation of billable items for billing. This lesson explains blah blah. Customer Bovi has a fax service contract. The provisioning of the fax cost service costs a monthly fee of euro 1990. Sorry, someone is joining. Yeah, cost. It costs a monthly recurring fee of 19.90 for business partner. Say 21, a fixed number has to pay euro 50, as one-time charge for activation. Okay, so first month 15 plus 19.90, and next month onwards 19.90, 19.90, because this is month, this is recurring. Okay, the monthly fee of 19.90 and individual activation fee of 15 euro. Okay, billing plan request with billing plan 3000 creates at the end of each month a billable item of the amount 19.90. Okay, so the requirement is, let me open Excel. Okay, say a customer has taken a Netflix subscription. Okay, or let's talk about, say the customer has taken a um, internet subscription. Okay, so for internet subscription, one activation fee he has to pay, and then some monthly recurring fee he has to pay. Okay, so first month he has to pay activation fee. So if I go with SAB's example, he has to pay $15. Then every month he has to pay 19.90. Okay, this one will keep on going, and this one will be paid by him only once. So for his payment, I need some to send me this information, right? So uh, so what can I do? I can schedule a billing plan. That is, on the joining date, his first date, this will be posted, and then every month on a particular date, these invoices will be posted. So for that, we can create a billing plan. These bits will come on that particular date. Okay, we can schedule, say, second of the month, third of the month, every month on that date, it will keep on going. Then we can put an end date. Say we want to put an end date of 31st December 2025, or we can put a 31st 12 9999. That means till infinity, this one will get posted. Okay, then this plan can also be modified or deleted later. Okay, this is billing plan, plain and simple. Now here it says what is a billing plan. Billing plans are a definition of schedule of individual dates for creation of billable items for billing. The billable items created by a billing plan can either changes, credits, sorry, charges, credit, down payment request, or a combination. Okay, okay. This type of bits may be posted. So here it will just create the bits. Then the billing and invoicing will happen based on the scheduling, because for invoice, the first item is bit generation. So say I don't want SOM or CC to send me bits every time. Okay, I can schedule a billing plan. Then on that date, the bit will be auto generated, and the billing plan will be assigned to provider contract. I will show that. Again, my provider contract will not have any billing plan assigned, but billing plan will be assigned. I'll show the field, it will be blank in this environment. Even in my project also, we are not using billing plan. But we can do the billing plan. It's like changing the manual bit. I mean, CC and SOM, they are not they will not create the bit manually. They will schedule a program via which the bits will keep on coming. Okay, it will come from SOM. Here CC involvement is not there, because CC comes into the picture when the calculation is required. Here there is no calculation. We schedule that this is the activation fee, and this is the monthly fee. Every month it will come. Okay, so this kind of plan, this kind of fee, it can come, it can send like charges, credits, down payment requests, or a combination. Billing plan can are source for creation of one-time and recurring billable items that I have just told. Recurring billing plan items reference to billing cycle, which can have
So
a periodicity. Yes,
you said front end system will not send the bits for this.
front-end system, some team will send me the bits, but some will schedule it. Some don't have to manually send it. Some will schedule it, and some will generate the bits. Okay.
Okay. CC will
Uh,
not CI will not generate it, right?
Yes, CI will, I mean, anyway, CI will never generate any bit. It will always come from SOM or CC. But here, SOM, even SOM has scheduled it. SOM is not sending it manually.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. I'll show the SOM side config also. SOM side has little config. That config node I have written in my office laptop. I'll just open it to show at the end, and at the end I'll show you. Okay. Billing plan has a reference to business partner contract account. Acha, this one recurring billing plan items reference to a billing cycle, which can have a periodicity of monthly, quarterly, yearly. So the one-time bit will not require any, will not refer to any billing cycle. In the scheduling, we have learned about billing cycle, monthly, daily, or quarterly. For the recurring ones, we will tag it to a billing cycle. Billing cycle tagging means it will tell me whether this posting will be monthly, quarterly, yearly, because it's a schedule, right? So it will be sent. Billing plan has a reference to BP, and contract account can have a reference to provider contract. Okay, we have seen in the provider contract mostly. In the CA, I have not seen. Billing plan request triggers creation of billable items out of billing plan. Okay, billable item will come. Let's go and see something else. So here it's an example. So billing plan number 3000. Okay, with the previous example, valid from 1/1/2018 till infinity. Business partner is Bovi. Contract account is CA Bovi 01, and status is release. We'll see that first. We'll create it, then we will release it. Okay, I'll show you that. So here it has two items. First one is recurring 19.90. With the monthly billing cycle, it will keep on posting. And the other one is one off $15. See, it is completed. Why it is completed? Because one off will be posted only once, but the recurring will keep on posting. So the recurring is released because recurring will uh, month one, month two, month three, month four. Recurring will never be completed because the end date for the recurring is 31st 12 999. If I put an end date of say 1/1/18 to 31st 12/18, if I put that, then after 12 instances the recurring will also be completed. Okay, since here the end date is 31st 12 1999, that's why recurring is requested. But one off will post only one time in the first month, say 1/1/2018. After that, one off will not repeat. Okay, that's why it is completed. And also in the one off, there is no billing cycle because it will not repeat one time. Because it is one time, it will not require any periodic cycle. Now, what happens? Bit received in January, bit activate billing document. Now in the invoicing document for January, recurring of 19.90 received. Okay, then activation fee of $15 is received. Then this usage may come from CC. Usage will not come from billing plan because usage is something we cannot predict. So it reminds me one thing. Um, I bought a new premise a few days back, and I mean, last year I just bought a new residential flat, and I applied for electricity, and I applied online, and by mistake I applied prepaid. Okay, then my application got cancelled when I went there to. I mean, after online application, I have to go to the office, electricity office, for maybe something I have to deposit something like the documents and all which I have uploaded. I have to physically verify them. So when they verified, he mentioned, why did you ask for a prepaid meter? I mean, prepaid meter means that is I have to pay a fixed amount, but electricity consumption is something I cannot determine a fixed amount, right? So by mistake I have chosen a prepaid meter. He told me, okay, write an application, ask for refund, and you will start this process again offline. So consumption is something which cannot be predetermined. Recurring fee and activation fee we can predetermine, like how much do you have to pay in one time and how much I have to pay. I will keep on paying. Okay, so for usage another bit is coming. Okay, so recurring and activation, these are coming from the billing plan number 3000. I'll create a billing plan also. I'll show you. It will get a number based on the number range, and then the usage is coming from separately in CC, and all of them are invoiced together, sum 64.90. Okay, this is how the billing plan works. So here are the steps: create a billing plan, create new billing plan items, In the item, we will assign the one-time fee or recurring fee. Okay, change billing plan status. So first it will be in processing. I'll show that in the system. Then it will become release. Okay, and it will show how many instances, how many times it has posted, or what is the next date. Okay, that also it will show, like a EMI. Okay, next EMI is due on this date, blah blah blah, like that. Okay, these are the different statuses. Then we can also discard. We can discard a bill plan also. We can delete this bill plan. We can close the bill plan, and we can reopen a bill plan. Okay, there are different push buttons in the monitor screen that I'll show you. This is the location from where we have to configure it. Let me just completely see everything. And the recurring ones runs with respect to the bill cycle. We have already configured bill cycle in our scheduling classes. Request bill plan, request billing plan item. This is the T code. This is for end user part. And then in mass also we can do the request. Okay, this is single. This is S means single, and MA is mass. This is how the billing plan look like. Okay, say billing plan number one. This is a validity. It has not taken the full screenshot. It can be released. Okay, it will be released. It can be discarded. It can be deleted also. Here is a screen. So this green means it is now released. Okay, see the release is grayed out. That means this billing plan number 2504. Let me zoom it a bit. 25. Oh god, zoom means it is getting okay. I think this is still readable. Billing plan number, this is a billing plan category, billing plan type. This is valid from 1/1/2018, the same bovi example, 1/1/2018 till 31/12/9999, and it has assigned one recurring and one off. Okay, so recurring of €1 and one off of €10. Okay, the one off will be 1/1/18 to 31st/1/18, because it is one off. It will not post multiple time, but the recurring will be 1/1/18 till 31st/12/19 and that means 1/1/18, 1/2/18, 1/3/18, 1/4/18, like that. It will keep on posting. And in the request history, it will show you how many times it got posted already. Okay, so see, month end it is posting 31st/1/2018, 28/2/2018, like that. It has posted twice. The recurring one has posted twice, and the one time fee has posted only once. Okay, then in the billing plan, here's the config. The config I'm going to open shortly. I just want to see I cover everything. This is the billing plan type. I'll show you this. Okay, good. Now let's go to the system and I'll show you how to configure billing plan. So I hope you understood the the requirement. If not, just let me know. Else I'll go to the system and I'll show you. Okay. So we'll go to FICA MG, convergent invoicing, enhanced function. So we came here already for credit note and debit note, billing request for correction. Now we'll go to billing plan. Okay. So expand billing plan. False alarm. Sometimes nobody joins, but it says two people waiting, three people are waiting. Okay, first we have to, so here the number ranges are already maintained. We will create the number range. So 00 and 01, two number ranges are assigned. I'll mostly go ahead with the 00. 3-digit number range is easily, you can track it easily. Now this long 8000, it can get difficult. Okay, anyway, so number range is created first. Go back, you don't have to create here in this environment. Define billing plan type. Come here and create your billing plan type. Okay, click on new entry. My billing plan type is Z102. I'm using the same name, Z102 prepaid customers billing plan or billing schedule. I can mention anything. Now billing plan category, billing plan will go for billing BIP01. Okay, if you have with uh, with for provider contract, without request and with request. So I don't have a provider contract, so I'll go for BIP01, BIP01, and it is going to hit my class Z102, Z102, and it will hit the number range. Oops, I think 00. Okay, let me check. And I don't want to make it not changeable because I want it to be flexible. Okay, so I'll save it and I'll check. 00 is my 00 will have the shorter number range or not. Okay, perfect. 00 will have a shorter 3-digit number range. Now here, if you want to enhance something, then also we can enhance, select, and go to program extension, click on new entry, and here different events are available. Like remember, for bit generation or seed generation also we had this different events. So select a particular events and write a function module. Okay, so I know it is very simple that every month I have to pay, but sometimes it may happen that the payment after, like when you set up your mutual fund SIP, what will happen, say you have said that 5,000 rupees I will deduct every month on say on 10th 5,000 rupees will be deducted. You can also add a top up feature. Top up meaning at after end of 12 instances, that means once the money is deducted 12 times, that is after end of 1 year, it will add 10% to it. Say first 1 year it will be 5,000 each month, then from the 13th month it becomes 5,500. Okay, that is 10% is added. So this kind of, just giving an example, this kind of increment or whatever may be the logic, you can assign a function module, write your own code, customer given. Okay, you don't have to give look for exit. I mean look for events. SCP has given the exit here. Okay, save it. We are going ahead with the standard functionality. Billing plan type is created. Next, go back. Billing plan item type. Here we will create two item type, one for recurring and one for monthly. Okay. So come here
So
and
the
yes.
program enhancements for building plan, right?
Mhm.
So what function modules we will
You can create your own Z function module and you can assign it. And
okay.
then according to your program, the billing, your logic, the billing plan will work. Say change of billing plan. You choose it and you add your own function module, Z something, then the billing plan will be changed. Okay, ideally you can
Okay.
also change at the end of 12 instances, but say you may forget, so you can write the code right here. So every year it will work. I mean, in that example, like 10% top up, just an example like that, whatever maybe your requirement, you can add it here. Custom function module you'll assign, no standard.
Okay.
So I'll not change. Okay, here we'll create a one time billing plan, uh, billing plan number, say Z102, Z102, uh, billing plan for activation fee. Okay, one time billing plan. Billing plan category I have already configured. Oh, sorry. This is not that. I think that was something else. BIP01. Okay, it is also BIP01 billing plan item. The other one was also BIP01, but that was with or without contract. Okay, so uh, baseline date baseline date start of item validity period term. Okay, that is it will start from the validity period term we are mentioning to the system. Okay, start of validity period term. Then this is not recurring, I will not fill this section. I will fill this section for recurring. Okay, this is activation one time, so I will not fill this section. Now this will create billable item for sub process Z102. Bit type will be in Z102 installation fee. Okay, this is my one time fee, installation fee similar to activation fee. And save. This item is for one time. Okay, so Z102. Okay, next I'm going to create uh what do I say, recurring. Okay, so copy, and I'll call it Z103, Z102. This is recurring fee. Change the description, recurring fee. Here the baseline date will be start of the period by billing cycle. Okay, now when it becomes recurring, I have to go ahead with the billing cycle, because I will assign a billing cycle. See, in SAP's example also, in the monthly a billing cycle was assigned. Okay, so if I, okay, it did not take the full screenshot. Okay, right hand side if you go, but I think another example it has shown the monthly has a billing cycle, not from SAP screenshot, but see here, for the recurring it will go with the billing cycle monthly, MONT. Okay, so here I'll go ahead with the monthly billing cycle. Now I have to fill this up. Okay, this is recurring, check this recurring billing plan item, and start date type, start of validity item, and rule is in accordance with the billing cycle. Okay, this is also Z102, Z102. Oh no, bit type will be different. This will not be Z102. This will not be installation fee, it will be something else. I chose installation fee. Now it will be recurring fee. Okay, this is monthly, and hit enter to get the save figure, save that thing. Okay, so looks good, it is done. Now go back, assign billing, assign item types to billing plan type. So come here, click on new entry. My billing plan type is Z102, and here assign two item type. One is for the activation fee, and the other is for the recurring fee. Okay, both will go to the same billing plan type. Enter. Oops, sorry, here I chose something, delete Z10, Z103, and this is Z102. Save. Okay, so what did I do? In here I created a billing plan, and here I created two item types. Item type meaning what are the different item, like recurring or monthly, and here I tagged them. The first one and the, I mean this one and this one I linked here. Okay, now adjustment design, say I want to change the billing plan. So I want to, when I adjust it, when I alter it, then I have to choose any adjustment design, 01, 02. I'm not creating anymore, so you can create more. Define billing plan adjustment, billing plan correction, like that, different adjustment design. Already two designs are there, I can use any of them. I don't want to create anymore. And the next one is lock. We can set a lock that the billing plan will be locked for some time. Okay, so again a lock is already created, no need to create anymore. That's it. That is the end of configuration. There is no, it is not going to post any new document, hence you don't need a new bit type creation. It is going to use the same bit type, one activation fee or the recurring fee. So no new bit type, no new main sub transaction, nothing is needed. Now let's go to the end user part. For end user, the T code is fkk underscore billing plan. The CIT codes are very confusing. Hang on, let me try. Fkk underscore billing underscore plan. Fkk. What about bill plan? BIL. Have I entered 2L? Acha, one more L. Okay. Anyways, let me find it from the node. So accounting, it will be around this FKK bill plan, billing plan, billing underscore plan, something like that. Accounting, financial accounting, contract account receivable payable, convergent invoicing, billing plan, edit, what is that? FKK, oh, FKK Bix underscore bill plan. Okay, sorry. So FKK Bix, so go to edit. Okay, so first I'll edit means create also. Okay, not only edit, it has a create button, and once I create, we can display. Then we can request. Okay, and later we can reverse. Okay, so first edit here, click on this create button, create billing plan. Okay, so my bill plan type is C102. I can create it as a template. Creation of a template means I can use that billing plan later for different BP and CA. I can use that and create a real billing plan. Say CA1 requests a billing plan, or I mean they may not request. We have to do it ourselves. That is we want to remove the manual activity. So CA1 has similar kind of arrangement. So if I create a template, then that template I can use everywhere. Okay, so first I'll create a template. I'll call it I'll call it C102 prepaid customer bill schedule. Okay, then template, and I want it how from which date it will be valid from. Say I will make it past date. Say I want it to be valid from 01/10/2024. Okay, and get inside. Okay, so I'm creating a template here. Get inside. I just hit enter. Okay, so here you will not see any BP and CFY because it is just a template. So first I'll create the template. Then when I create real billing plan for a particular customer, in our case Jasprit Bumrah, then I will use this template. I can directly create for Jasprit Bumrah also, but I'm showing you a template. You can leverage this template and create billing plan using this template, or every time you can create billing plans from scratch. Okay, so I'm just creating a template. So billing plan items. Billing plan item category, I have two item category. Sorry, item type will be two. So my billing plan item category is BIP01. Billing plan item type. Okay, here I have two. For my billing plan type Z102, I have Z102 and Z103. I think Z102 is a one time. Okay, so name I cannot. I may. Okay, activation. I'll just write. Then amount, how much will be the amount? So let's go with SAP's example. I mean, we can do anything, say $15. Okay, that was 15 euro. I don't want to go for other currency. $15 is the one time activation currency. Here you put USD. Okay, and it is valid from 1/10/2024, and no valid 2 is needed. Okay, because this is the one time, valid 2 is not needed, and cycle is also not needed because one time does not require a cycle. Okay, now create one more because I want the recurring also. So create this append row button, and here my billing plan category remains the same. Now billing plan type will be Z103. Here if it would have displayed the description also, it would have been better. Okay, but I think I created activation fee first, then I created the recurring. Okay, so this is recurring, so I'll put recurring fee. Now here amount, SAP wrote 19.90. I'll just write 20. Okay, 20 is easier. If I have to do further calculation, say tax. Tax on $20 will be easier versus tax on 19.90. Okay, calculation wise. So 20 USD. This is valid. This is also valid from 01/10/2024, and this requires valid too, till which date it will go on. Okay, see, it has already checked it as a recurring billing plan. Okay, yes, so 103 was my recurring. Okay, so remember for 103, the second there was a segment which I skipped for 102. Why? Because 102 was one time, and for 103 the segment I checked, from there it has validated that it is a recurring billing plan. Then it is valid to say I want this plan to be valid to 31/12/2025, this year sent. Okay, so entire 25 plus uh, October, November, December plus 3 months of 24. Okay, and here I will assign a cycle, monthly cycle. Okay, Then I'll just hit enter to see if there is an error. Okay, nothing is happening. Then I'll just save it. If there is an error, it will tell me. Okay, billing plan 102 is saved. Okay, I will not release this plan. Why? Because it is just a template. When I create for a particular master data, then I will release, save and all. Okay, so this template I'm going to use and create the billing plan for my BP. Okay, so 102 is my template. Just remember. Now I'll create another billing plan. Here I'll copy from 102. That is, it will retain the uh, amounts and dates of 102. I can change it also. Okay, now I'll create for my contract account, which is, hang on, let me check my contract account. I think 615, ending with 615. My contract account is 615. Okay, when I'll get inside, I think it will derive the BP also. Okay, so with reference to billing plan number 102, which was a copy, this is not a copy. Okay, this one I'm creating, it is not a copy. The previous one was a template. This one is real. Okay, I'm creating for a customer. Get inside. Okay, now the BP and CA. Okay, 365 BP and CA is populated. Now I will create the billing plan for this BP and this CA. Okay, so I can change the amount also. I can change the valid from date also. Say I want to do 5th of October every month, 5th. Okay, that way also I can do. And here I want to just show you, say one of them I will choose as gross, the other one as net. What is that? This is for tax calculation. Remember in FICA you have learned that tax can be posted inclusive or exclusive. Okay, inclusive meaning in the revenue amount tax is already added. Exclusive meaning on the revenue on top of it the tax will be added. Okay, so one of them I have chosen gross and the other one will be net. Net means it is normal, tax will be added on top of 15, but gross means within this 20 the tax will be added already. Okay, we'll validate that, and with that I'll first save the billing plan. Okay, billing plan is saved. 103 is my billing plan. Now I will release the bill plan. Okay, so see the flag doesn't have a color. The moment I release it, it will have a green color, I guess. Release. Okay, so it is now green color. So 103 is released. Now how to post, I'll show next. We come back in 1 minute. I'll show how to post it to the, I mean, how to generate the billable items. Okay, so please join back in 1 minute. Thank you.